Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's explore one interesting tool. Right now I've got this demo soldier and this is divided 3 times, and when I hit render, this model is giving me that faceted look. I could see that. Now I will divide it and then render it again, and I'm getting a decent result at this point, but I really don't know whether this forced subdivision level is really doing the justice or not. So what I'm going to do is I will go back to the subdivision level 1, put the solo mode on, and then try to find out by using this feature called draw poly density. Now you should be able to see the model is in red color. Now as I keep dividing this model, the color of this model keep changing. So here in terms of resolution, you should be able to see when I'm completely scaling it down, if I hit render, the polygon size is as equal to 1 pixel, and when that happens, the model looks blue color. Let's say if 2 pixels are equal to 1 polygon size, then the model turns to green color. Now if the polygon is way bigger than a pixel or 2 pixels, then the polygon start becoming to show up in a red color there. So you should be able to see the magnifying effect is actually helping us to how much I should subdivide for that particular shot. Okay, so I'll be dividing this one more time. Now fingers are pretty good, in some area of the eyes are good. Now I divide it one more time, so eyes, fingers and all are good. When I render them, they render correctly. The transition would look perfect. I need to keep dividing this model until this overall model turns into blue. So when I render this model here, again I need to switch off my draw poly density off, and when I render it, I should get a neat shading on this model. So how much subdivisions you have to put can be guided by this tool called draw poly density. Blue color means the polygon is a size of 1 pixel. Each polygon of this model is as big as 1 pixel of this particular frame. Now when I say when the object turns to green, okay, the model is basically that polygon is equal to 2 pixels. 2 pixels is 1 polygon here, and then when the model is red, the polygon is bigger than 2 pixels. So this is a decent visualization for me to put correct subdivisions to the model to get a decent render.